Hi, my name is Kuljit Bhamra. Welcome to my TABLA EXPLORER series. Now, I used to be a civil engineer for 17 years before I became a full-time musician. So I still fancy myself as a sort of fixer or a maker or an inventor, perhaps. And I'm about to show you something that I've invented recently. No one's ever seen it before. And it is this. This, I call it a spirit level. And some of you may think, well, it is a spirit level, but if you look closely, you'll see that I've put some very clever electronics. And there's a sensing device here. And what this does is it measures the level of spirit in an object. So why am I talking about this? Well, the reason I'm talking about it is because there is a common belief that Indian music is more spiritual than Western music. Indian instruments are more spiritual than Western instruments. And in fact, I've been asked many times after performances whether my drums are spiritual. So I really want to put this argument to rest once and for all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to point this to each drum in turn. And when this comes close to something that has a very high spirit level, it makes a beeping alarm sound. And I have tested it earlier on. So let's have a look, see what happens here. So first the Western drum. Nothing. And now the Indian drum. Nothing. So that proves that this is no more spiritual than this, or no less spiritual than that. And I hope that puts an end to the argument once and for all. So there you are. We can